Great. Now we're on to our first text editor, Notepad++, which I like a lot more than the default Notepad. So back on Windows, let's fire up Google Chrome. The Notepad++ website is simply notepad dash plus dash plus .org. Once there, go to the download page and simply download the latest version, which should be toward the top. Once on the download page, be careful to select the version that you need for your operating system. In this case, I want the 64-bit version, so I'm going to scroll down until I find that installer. Here we go. All right, once downloaded, I'm going to run the installer. And there really isn't much to customize here, so I'm just going to speed through, and I'll point out where something needs to change. I do want the installer to automatically add the shortcut to the desktop, so I'll check that. All right, now let's install. All right, that's great. I'll go ahead and let the installer open Notepad++ for the first time. All right, brilliant. While we have Notepad++ open, oh, by the way, we don't need Chrome anymore, so we'll close that out for now. All right, let's go back to Notepad++. I want to take the opportunity to increase the size of the default font that's used. So to do that, anywhere in the document that's currently open, which is the changelog, hold down the Control and the plus button simultaneously to increase the font. As I do this more times, the font just grows. I think I'll do it one more time. There we go. The user interface is still pretty small, but the font for the contents of the file is really where I want it. That's good enough for now. I will go ahead and close out of Notepad++. Now let's add Notepad++ to our start menu and the taskbar. This is actually optional depending on how frequently you plan to use Notepad++. All right, I'm going to move this up into Tools. There we go. Go ahead and rearrange a bit.